Yeah, this week gold technologies. This is 4 hour. Okay. Oh, sorry. For gold, okay, you can go for 1 hour. Yeah. Any correction, small correction, any from year to, if we take Fibonacci from year to year, maybe expecting any correction here. Any 3-year correction from here, once reach the 4,700 something, then it will come. Once this is a big correction, maybe not impulsively, it may be big correction. After correction, it will go up. But this is good for the buy setup this week. Okay, thank you.